Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be looking at two curves that's on a graph and determine the coordinates when it cuts the y-axis and there's a point of intersection. So we're going to look at this question where it's asking us to look at the diagram not drawn to scale, where we have to find the coordinates CD, AB, and MN. First, let us look at the graph that is before us. The purple line represents the curve y equal 2e to the x, which is an exponential curve. The next is the red curve represents y equal e to the 2x. As you can see, we have the point CD on the y-axis and MN is on the y-axis. AB is a point of intersection. Let us focus on CD. Now, once a line or a curve cuts the y-axis, x is always 0. So it means that we already know the value of c. c is 0. This is due to the fact that the line cuts the y-axis. And cutting the y-axis means that x is 0 anywhere on the y-axis. So at this point, c is 0. So the only thing we need to find out is what is d. Now to find d, I'm going to use the curve equation y equal 2e to the x, because CD is on this line, so that is why I have to use exponential function. So I have y is equal to 2e to the x. Now x is 0. So substituting, I have y is equal to 2e to the 0, because x is 0. Now e to the 0, anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So e to the 0 is 1. So that means, what do I have here? If all of this here is 1, then 2 times 1, that gives me 2. So then I can see that the coordinate is x is 0 and y is 2. Now we're going to look at MN. For MN, once again, it lies on the red curve, which is the exponential curve y equal e to the 2x. And looking at this, it cuts the y-axis. Anywhere on the y-axis that a line or curve cuts, x is 0. So we already know that n is 0 here because n is in the x position. So the only thing we have to find out is what is n. So since it's the red curve, I'm going to use y equal e to the 2x. So replace x to be 0, so I have y is equal to, now look at this, I'll have e to the 2 and then times 0. But 2 times 0 is 0. So by right, we have this as e to the 0, and e to the 0 is 1. So that means y is equal to 1. So therefore, the next coordinate is x is 0 and y is 1. Lastly, I have AB to find. Now, for AB, you realize that we have the point of intersection. So if we're looking at the point of intersection, then it means that we're looking where these two are equal. So it means e to the 2x is equal to 2e. because the point of intersection is where they're equal. Now, given that it's exponential, if I want to get rid of e, I would natural log both sides, which is ln both sides. So I have e to the 2x is equal to ln 2 e to the x. Over this side, we know that we can carry the 2x over. So we have 2x right here, and then we'd have the ln e. But this side, I can't just carry the x over because the 2 is right here. So what I can do, because the log law says when you have things side by side, you can rewrite it as addition. So we are going to have this as ln 2 plus ln e to the x. Now ln e is 1, so I'm going to eliminate this. So what I have here is just 2x. And then here I have ln 2. I can carry the x in front, so I have x ln e. Once again, ln e is 1, so I eliminate this. So I have 2x is equal to ln 2 plus x. Now, remember, we're trying to find out what is a and b, which is x and y. So I'm going to make x a subject. So I carry this over the equal sign, meaning there's a sign change. So I have 2x minus x equal ln 2. 2x minus x, that's x. So I have x is equal to ln 2. Now x is ln 2. I need to find out y. To find y, I can either use the curve y equal e to the 2x, or I can use y equal 2e to the x. I'm going to just use y equal 2e to the x. Now, since we have x is equal to ln 2, so we're going to replace this x with ln 2. So we have y is equal to 2e ln 2. Now when we have e raised to the ln 2, now this can be worked out. So e to the ln 2 is 2, so we have y is equal to 2 times 2. So all of this will be 2, and that means y is equal to 4. So we have x is ln 2 and y is 4. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.